Hello ladies, it's Antoinette and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you like the content then consider subscribing. Now today I'm going to be unboxing my new Saint Laurent handbag. I'm going to open this for you in a minute. Now this bag has been on my SHOPTAGR wish list for years and I've only just got it now, which reminds me, here's a little hack or a tip for those of you that if you want your loved ones to get you exactly what you want or need, just give them access to your wish list. So for instance, I have SHOPTAGR and my husband has my password for it. So if he's looking to get me anything, let's say for my birthday or for Christmas or whatever celebrations coming up, basically he can just go into my SHOPTAGR, look at my online wish list, and it can pick me something without me knowing what it is. So it's just like a nice surprise. Anyway, back to the unboxing. Obviously, I can only do a full review of this bag after I've used it for a while, but I think I'm gonna enjoy this bag, and that's the main reason I actually got it. It's not so much for the value, but more of me getting use out of it. Let me explain. Now, most YSL pieces are easily accessible, like you can just pick them up online. Like I got this from Net-a-Porter with no problems, and you'll even notice that some of them go on sale, which isn't really a good thing if you're looking to buy luxury, but more on this on another video. But you're probably wondering why I got this particular bag then. For me, outside of the holy trinity of luxury brands, so that's like Hermes, Chanel and Louis Vuitton, I personally think an emphasis on the word that I personally feel that YSL, well, Saint Laurent, is okay to invest in a sense that you can still get a decent amount back should you want to resell that piece in the future. It's one of the brands that still kind of has that prestige. Now, some people will argue with this, but I think that like items, particularly the handbag that I've got, you don't lose that much value if you keep it in good condition. That's why I kept it on my wish list and I've got it now. So regardless of what its value is, it's just the handbag that I like and I know I'm going to enjoy. Now I'm just going to open the handbag up for you, and this is a classic monogram quilted leather. So this is how Net-a-Porter kind of box it all up, and then you get the actual Saint Laurent box, the smaller box inside, and then it comes in the dust bag. Just take this out and there we have it. Oh my gosh, is she not beautiful? It's also carved leather, which is a lot more durable than lambskin, but that doesn't mean that you don't take care of it properly. In my experience, that you can still scuff, but it's a very durable leather, and this is going to be my go-to clutch because it's so versatile and it goes with a number of my different outfits, and if I take proper care of it, then it should last me a while. And I also make it a habit to always keep the receipts of any luxury purchases that I make and the boxes of these items, just in case I want to give it away or resell it, like I've mentioned before, because you can get more for the item if it's in its original packaging, and receipt helps prove its authenticity. But in this case for me, like I said, I'm planning on keeping this item because it's just timeless and it reeks of modern elegance. So I plan to get good use out of this, and this will be one of my wardrobe staples regardless of its resale value. Hello ladies, so this is the unboxing of my Saint Laurent, the mini shoulder bag slash clutch. I'm going to be wearing it as a clutch. I got this from Net-a-Porter, as you can see, and this is how it's been presented. So I'm just going to unbox it with you. I've got the bow off, and that's the lid, and this is how it comes, obviously with the details like your receipt and stuff like that, and like just a little note. I've already opened this before and I've packed it back up just to unbox with you because I wanted to check the bag, and so this is how it comes. Let's just take that out of the way. So this is it. And then it comes with like the care details and all of that, if you can see. So this is it. Stunning. Look at that. The leather is so durable. It's just the perfect clutch for a night out. So let me get the boxes out of the way. how it looks. And as I said, gold hardware and the gold chain. And I'll just open it up for you. It's got ample room inside. It's got the slots, the card slots to take in about, I think, 6 cards or so. And then the front zip, I've already unzipped that. Space there, and like I've got the iPhone 12 Pro, not the Max but the Pro, and it fits in nicely, and I'm sure that the Pro Max will fit in as well. Definitely there's more than enough space in there. So this is just to show you, because it's just a basic, for me, I'm going to be wearing it as a clutch. So if you look close up, you can take the straps off, they're detachable, and it's got a snap button detail. So taking the strap packaging off. So there we have it. There's the strap. And then it's got the leather band for the shoulder, because it is a shoulder bag. It comes as a shoulder bag. So I'll leave this video here for now, but I'll continue to keep you up to date with any changes or additions that I make, like any additions to my wardrobe, should you be interested in any of the items or you want to purchase it for yourself. And I will definitely give you a review of this bag after I've worn it out. And yes, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. And until next time, it's bye for now.